Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Chrissy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
What are we doing today?
We're going into Walmart and we're going to get a pretty small haul here.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, and we're getting a pack of Havarti cheese. Feel free to correct me if I'm pronouncing that wrong. $2.22, or so the label says. Okay, we also grabbed some detox tea. That was $3.48. I needed some. We got one Pringles that's pizza flavored, and one that's sour cream and onion flavored, and those are $1.96 each. And we got almond milk, and that was $2.36. I'm going to give you a little tip. You see those right there? They look like they're on sale, and I suppose they are. But you can get this for $1.99 per pound. Cut it up into little pieces yourself, and it's a lot cheaper than this, even though this is on sale. So, consider that. Is there something that you could cut up into smaller pieces to make stew meat instead of buying stew meat, because you're paying extra for the convenience of having to put it up for you? All right, this is $1.47 for one French bread for our son to make French bread pizzas. Okay, and we're going to grab these rolls for a meal that we're going to do. And they were $2.48. These are $2.88. We're going to grab 2 sweet potatoes for me for some different lunch options.
All right, so there's our Walmart haul, and then the total's right here. I think it was $20.48. We're gonna put that right there on the screen. Mm-hmm. And now we're going to pop into Sam's for just a minute.
Like 2 things:
hamburger meat and drinks.
Our tip for Sam's: have a specific list.
Yep.
2 things.
Get in and get out.
Okay, so apparently I can't count because we also had these crackers. Joel eats these sometimes as his fuel for running. Whoops, I didn't drop it. It's still here. Anyway, $6.98. This is way cheaper than what you would get in the store, because this is like getting, I think it's 5 packs at one time, instead of getting 1 pack that's probably like $3 or something like that. You get like 5 packs for $6.98. So we're grabbing a case of Pepsis for our son. We'll be expecting him to make those last for 3 or 4 weeks, and it's $14.28. Expensive, yes, but a lot cheaper than it is at Walmart, because it was $10.78 for just 24 count there, and this is 36, so way cheaper than buying it at Walmart. Okay, and we're getting some ground beef. It's a 90-10 mix, and it's $3.78 per pound. So that makes it, what does it say, $36?
Yeah, $36.40.
$36.40 for the total.
All right, so there's our Sam's haul. 3 things is roughly $58.59, I think. It'll be right here. And this is our total for the day, what we have left for the month. And then that's out of a budget of $600 for 3 adults.
That's right.
Each month.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's get on to our meal plan.
As we mentioned in our previous 2-week haul, that we had like 7 meals that we're going to be doing a special video with, so we weren't going to really say what those recipes are, and you don't need to vote on them because you're going to see them in that video. So, so we're going to skip a few meals and jump into what we actually, are planning that doesn't require those 7 meals. Because see, the thing is, anytime that we make a recipe, we're actually eating that food.
Yeah.
Unless it's the 12 days of Christmas treats, and then I send that all to Joel's team members, so that all isn't in our house. But if it's regular dinner meals or something like that, that's being eaten at home. So so we're going to skip those 7 meals that will be in that video, and then jump into the ones that come after it.
Okay. What is this? That's just teriyaki chicken.
No.
Yeah.
No. Now, we do have some homemade pizzas in there on Saturday, and then And then we also have a beef and cheese pasta that we made several months ago, and we didn't eat it all, so we just threw that in the freezer.
Yep.
So we're going to take that out and finish that up.
And then we got teriyaki chicken.
That's a brand new recipe.
You can vote on that for recipe of the week.
That's right. And by the way, if you see a recipe alert button, that means that the video is on our channel already. I will try to link it down in the description so that you can find it easily. But you don't have to vote on that. Just look in the description. If we say that's a brand new recipe, then that means we've never shared it on the channel because we've actually never made it before.
Yep.
So the teriyaki chicken is a brand new one for us. And according to the recipe creator, there should be enough servings of that for us to have leftovers the next night. And that's actually taking us into the next week. This was a fill-in haul. So we have enough food for the fill-in haul plus a couple of recipes past it. So
yes,
that's all.
All right. So drop us a comment below. Let us know what you want to vote on for the recipe of the week. You really only have one choice this week. But if you have a recipe you'd like for us to try, we don't
That's
try
right.
everything.
That's right.
But we'd love to hear those. If we don't do it on the channel, then we'll link a video to it to someone else that's done it before.
Yeah,
so you can try it out.
Yes, if those situations might be like sushi. Yeah. We're probably not going to eat sushi. And then also things like if it's a very expensive ingredient, we might say, hey, we don't really want to spend the money on that, but here's a recipe of somebody who obviously did.
Yeah. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos. Right now, they're just kind of pretty much all the time. So
no.
Just make sure you got the notifications bell clicked for all notifications so it updates you when we upload a new video that you can view. With that said, that's going to do it today. For the Long Run with Joel and Christy, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget it's the long run and give yourself a little grace.
Bye.